Hey everyone, Sirens and Alarms of Northern Illinois here with a demonstration of my Gentex SHG fire alarm that I got on eBay a while ago. So I'm not really going to test the strobe and horn separately on it. So let's get into the testing. I'm just going to set it off in continuous, then march time for a few minutes. So, yeah, here we go. Fail. So, in 3, 2, well, if everything goes right. I'm not using like a switch for the wires. It's just 3 9 volts, 27 volts, so yeah, I'm gonna have to cut the video. Okay, I'm back. So here it goes in 3, 2, 1, and hopefully the wire doesn't come off. So yep. Anyway, enough talking. Here we go. And it fell. Okay, so now let's switch it to march time. Okay, so now the horn is at march time, so let's set it off. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, hope you enjoyed this fire alarm video, which I haven't done in a while, so I guess that's it.